everyone. Today we're going to be doing bird. So we're going to start with our hands underneath our shoulders and our knees underneath our hips. We're going to take our right arm out first and our left leg out. And then they're going to meet in the middle. So we're going to breathe in, bring them in, and out. Out. In, and out. One more time, in, out. Good. We're going to switch to our left arm and our right leg. Ready? In, out. In, turn to your bird, out. You're soaring, you're almost there. In, out. Awesome. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.